Hey guys, Dan Scheidegger here. Kriete Truck Center Madison, back with another 2025 all new VNL64T860. This truck is equipped with Volvo's iTorque powertrain package, D13 engine, 455 horsepower, 1850 foot-pounds of torque. It has a 13-speed I-shift transmission, 215 rear end ratio, 224 wheelbase. Fully equipped with Volvo's battery-powered parking cooler, bunk heater, inverter, full collision mitigation system. If you want more information, feel free to visit our website or give me a call at 262-888-0653.